Hi, my name is Marvin Enveliciano, Human Anatomy and Physiology teacher. Today, I'll simply discuss on how the air flows papunta sa nose, down to the lungs, hanggang sa makarating yung air kay alveoli for gas exchange. Let's start our discussion. First, the air enters through the nose. It will be filtered by the hair-like structures, yung mga cilia dyan. So, mapifilter yan hanggang sa yung air ay makarating kay nasal cavity for another filtration, and the air will also be humidified, will be moistened para mas malinis yung incoming air papasok sa lungs. So after the nasal cavity, bababa yung air papunta kay pharynx, which is the main passageway of food and water. But remember also that the pharynx is divided into three parts. No? So we have the nasopharynx, we have the oropharynx, and we also have the laryngopharynx. So after kay pharynx, bababa na ngayon yung air papunta kay larynx, which is known as the voice box. So after that, bababa na yung air papunta kay trachea, which is the main passageway of air. Remember that the trachea is the passageway of air, while the esophagus is the main passageway of food and water. So magkaiba sila ng passageway. Though pareho lang sila ng tube-like structure, pero magkaiba ng dinadaanan. If we talk about the air, that's the trachea. And also in the trachea, another filtration will happen, as the trachea also composes the tissue known as the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So may mga particles din doon na matatrap na nakalusot from the nose nasal cavity hanggang kay trachea. So may matatrap pa doon mga particles hanggang sa dapat kasi yung air ay na pumasok sa lungs ay dapat malinis. After kay trachea, magbabranch out na yung trachea into two components, which is the left and right bronchus or bronchi. But this bronchi will also be branched into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Kumbaga, paliit ng paliit yung sangay. Hanggang sa yung air, after kay bronchi, bumaba na siya down to bronchioles, which is known as the smallest bronchi. Hanggang sa yung air pumasok, ay makakarating na kay terminal bronchioles, hanggang sa yung air ay makarating na kay alveoli. So yung air, ang kailangan lang naman natin sa air ay yung oxygen para yung blood natin ay ma-oxygenate. So in the alveoli, gas exchange will take place. Oxygen enters to the hemoglobin of the red blood cell, making it to become oxygenated blood, hanggang sa ibabalik naman o ipapalit naman dun yung carbon dioxide. That's why gas exchange takes place. And it happened because there is a surrounded blood vessel known as the pulmonary capillaries, kung saan nakakapit yun sa alveoli at doon na ibibigay at kukunin yung kailangan na gas like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So yun lang, I hope that you learned something about our lesson for today. Thank you and God bless.